If your job is to keep all four on the floor, then you've come to the right spot. Welcome to the home of Carlisle Tire and Wheel Company.
Most of the tires that bear the Carlisle or ITP name that you see riding along trails from east to west coast are going to be made in this factory right here in Clinton, Tennessee.
From ATV to lawn and garden, golf and construction tires, Carlisle makes it all.
Just about every product that isn't considered a passenger car or light or medium or heavy truck tire, we're into that market.
Today the guys are out doing some R&D.
We have a 12-mile open loop track with single track, and then we have a 0.7 of a mile closed loop track that we have for testing.
You'll go through sand, grassy fields, gravels, rocks, mud. You'll go over cross ties, railroad tracks, things of that nature, just to make sure that we get the proper characteristic.
Two basic tests that we do in the field. We have comparison tests where we'll put a set of our tires on. There'll be 2 to 3 of us that will ride that particular tire, give our feedback, and then we'll take that same group of people and put a competitor tire on, see how those compare.
We're looking for longevity, tread life. We want the consumer to be happy with the length of time that he's able to use our product before he has to replace it.
Info gathered on site rolls right back into the plant.
I believe the thing that sets ITP and Carlisle apart from our competition, number one, is speed to market. We have the ability to react very quickly to the needs of the market and bring a new product to market very expeditiously.
Let's go behind the scenes and get a sneak peek at how things work.
It's a lot of tires. There's probably about 1,600 tires on that trailer.
For nearly 40 years, Carlisle's been making tires right here in Clinton.
We're shipping about 10,000 tires a day.
So what sets them apart from their competition?
We have 2 tire manufacturing facilities in the United States, as opposed to most of our ATV competition who are, they're located in other parts of the world. So we have speed to service with our customer base here in the United States. Everything's 100% homegrown.
And that makes a huge difference when companies launch new machines.
Polaris came to us with the thought that they were working on a new RZR platform, and quite frankly, they wanted the best side-by-side tire on the market. So we got together with the engineering group at Polaris, had a voice of customer meeting, gathered a lot of information, came back to the factory, started working on the design concept of this particular tire. We gave them initial test tires. They put several thousand miles on tires in just a short period of time. They provide feedback typically on a test program in 1 to 2 weeks.
With nearly 500 employees pumping out tires around the clock, there's little downtime around here.
The majority of our factory employees are avid ATV riders. And they're committed to bring a quality product to market, and we are committed at Carlisle to best product, best quality, and best service.
So what's their favorite tire to produce?
We tend to be pretty proud of our ITP product that we make out of this plant. We supply that in the aftermarket, and we have a pretty big demand of that. A lot of customers like that tire.
Good chance these guys will keep things rolling along for quite a while.
Long-term plans, keep making tires.